Can a prescriptive easement be legally challenged? Have you ever wondered if a prescriptive easement can be legally challenged? This is a common question among property owners and those involved in real estate. Let's break down what a prescriptive easement is and how it can be contested. A prescriptive easement occurs when someone uses another person's property openly, continuously, exclusively, and without permission for a certain period, often around 20 years. This use can lead to a legal right to continue that use. However, this right is not set in stone and can indeed be challenged in court. To successfully challenge a prescriptive easement, the property owner needs to show that one or more of the required elements for establishing the easement were not met. First, the use must be open and notorious. This means it has to be visible and obvious so the owner is aware of it. If the use is secret or hidden, it does not qualify. Next, the use must be continuous and uninterrupted. This means it must happen consistently over the statutory period without significant breaks. If the use is sporadic or occasional, it usually does not establish a prescriptive easement. Another element is exclusive use. The person claiming the easement must use the property exclusively, not sharing it with the public or with the owner's permission. Finally, the use must be adverse or hostile. This means it must occur without the property owner's permission. If the owner allowed the use, it is considered permissive and cannot turn into a prescriptive easement. There are common legal mistakes that can lead to losing the ability to challenge a prescriptive easement. For example, failing to document interruptions of use can weaken a case. Not explicitly denying permission can imply consent, which complicates matters. Additionally, not acting promptly to stop unauthorized use can also be detrimental. Property owners can interrupt the prescriptive period by physically blocking access or formally granting permission. This negates the hostile requirement. To avoid unintended prescriptive easements, property owners should monitor their property regularly for unauthorized use. Clear communication about permission or denial of use in writing is essential. Taking timely action to stop unauthorized use is also important. Keeping records of any interruptions or permissions granted can help in the long run. If a prescriptive easement claim arises, consulting a legal professional is wise. They can evaluate the specific facts and applicable state law, as requirements can vary by jurisdiction. For instance, some states assume use is permissive unless proven otherwise, while others assume use is adverse if unexplained. While prescriptive easements can become legal rights, they can be challenged successfully by demonstrating failure to meet one or more legal criteria or by interrupting the use before the statutory period ends. Property owners should be proactive in managing their land to avoid common mistakes that could lead to losing control over their property rights.